In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add additional resources to your Pearson Successnet account. When we originally created Pearson Successnet accounts for all teachers, we included the resources that the county owns a district license to. In addition to those materials, though, I know that many materials have been purchased for intervention purposes and to supplement the materials that teachers already have. And so it's possible to take those hard copy materials and use the ISBN number from each in order to add those materials to your Successnet dashboard. The process we're going to look at today has two steps. The first involves taking the ISBN number and using it to generate an access code. And in the second step, we will use that access code to add a resource to your Successnet dashboard. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to support.pearsonschool.com. Got it right there. And this is going to take us to the Pearson support page. We're going to scroll down to the box that says Pearson Successnet access codes, and this is where we're going to enter the ISBN from our text resource. The ISBN can be found on the barcode on the back of any text resource as well as on the back of the title page. I have a sample for us to use. And once you've entered that barcode, that ISBN number without any dashes or spaces, you're going to click Submit. And it's going to give us an access code right here. And that's the end of step one. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this web browser tab open, and I'm going to open a new tab, because in the next step we want to use that access code to add a resource to our Successnet dashboard. So I need to go to Successnet, and I'm going to log in using my Clark County credentials. If you haven't changed your password or your username information, then your username should be your full email address and your password should be Successnet1. And I'm going to log into my account and close that pop-up window that shows up. So this is my dashboard. Over on the left-hand side, I can see all of the resources that are in my dashboard that I can access. And if I want to add a new resource, I'm going to click My Account. And then I'm going to come here and click My Products. And from the My Products page, I'm going to click Add New Products. This is where I go to enter my access code. So I'm going to swap over to my other tab. I'm going to copy my access code. And I'm going to paste it right in the box. Next, I'm going to click Check Code. And this particular access code came with a number of different resources that can be added to my dashboard. If those are all the resources that I'm looking for that I want to add, I'm going to click Save. And you notice this warning. It says the products have been added to the account, but I have to log out and log back in order to start using them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to log out, and then I'm going to click Sign In again. Now, one of the things to be prepared for is that when you add materials that have a publication date later than 2009, it changes what your dashboard looks like, but it doesn't change the way Successnet works. We still have the same materials for investigations that were in my dashboard before, the teacher edition, the student edition, and the additional resources, but the resource that I just added came from the ISBN for a grade 3 Envisions, teacher edition, student edition, and a set of teacher resources. So, in this tutorial, we've learned how to take a hard copy material's ISBN number, convert that ISBN number to an access code, and then use that access code to add a new resource to my Successnet dashboard. If you have questions, please contact your instructional technology specialist or contact me. Thank you very much.